Hey guys, it's Erica and welcome to today's video. I am doing it's a new product review. So, okay, that's totally not my personality, at least not that intense. So I just recently purchased a brand new product from Tarte and I'm so excited. Also, please excuse the way that my face looks right now. I just got home from work and ate dinner. It's like 8 o'clock at night. So if you guys don't know, I do work until 7 part-time. So, you know, just got home trying to film this video before I go to bed. But I'm so excited about this palette. It just came today, actually right after I did my makeup, and I was like, really? So I really want to film this tonight. I cannot wait until tomorrow, and I'm just going to film it tonight, so I'm okay with that. So I pretty much can guess that you guys know what palette I'm talking about, and I'm so excited about this. I was freaking out when I saw it in the store. Unfortunately, I didn't purchase it, which I should have, but my Sephora actually released this palette early. It's not supposed to come out until March 8th in stores, and they actually had it out on the 4th. So I don't know if that's just something that, oops, happened in my Sephora, or if other Sephoras did that too. I'm not really sure. For some reason, my Sephora and Ulta seem to like throw out new items like before they're supposed to be released. I don't know if that's just an accident by them, or you know, if I'm just getting there on the right day. But it is the Tarte wait, what is this called? That's embarrassing. Be a Mermaid and Make Waves. That's a long title. I thought it was just Be a Mermaid. That's a long title for this. So this is the Be a Mermaid Make Waves palette. Look at this. Just admire it. Also, just a little hint for you guys if you watch my vlogs. Molly's 3rd birthday, so we just got done with her 2nd birthday. Her 3rd birthday, I already have the theme for it, and it is mermaids. I'm so excited. It's a mermaid theme, and I told my mom when I showed her tonight, I said, I think I may sit this out at her birthday party because it's just that cute, right? So yeah, but it's just, it looks like a fishtail, like mermaid tail pattern on the front. Rainbow colors, love it. So opening it up, also just some information about this palette. It does retail for $42 on the Sephora website and Tarte website. Tarte always throws around 15% off coupons and 25% off coupons. Unfortunately, they usually don't apply to new items, but it's out there. So this palette comes with 14 different shades in the palette. 11 of them are a foiled or metallic what am I trying to say? Metallic, you know, formula. Is that the word I'm looking for? Not sure. The other 3 are matte shades, so it looks like this. It's just so beautiful. Look at that. It's just so beautiful. And then this is what the outside of the packaging looks like. And then the back as well. Just a very cute shell design, and this feels like leather, but it is not real. Pretty sure on that. So yeah, and it says that the net weight is 0.8 grams and that each pan is 0.028 ounces. I'm sure the beauty news here on YouTube will probably weigh this out, destroy it, and repress it for us here on YouTube, because I love watching their videos when they destroy things, weigh them out, and like you actually get to see if a product is actually, like if the product actually has the amount of product it says it's supposed to have. Some of them have more, which is actually really surprising, because you wouldn't think that brands would do that. But anyways, I'll leave their channel linked here in the cards and then down in the description. Go check them out, they're amazing. But yeah, so this is the palette. Oh, it comes with a huge mirror. But yeah, it's just, I mean, I did watch a review on this. There wasn't many, but I did watch one where, not a review, what was it called? an anti-haul or if they would purchase it or something, but they had said, you know, if you cover up the bottom 3 different colors here, it's basically just a rose gold palette. Well, in all honesty, I don't really have a, you know, specific rose gold palette in my collection yet, because I will be getting the Anastasia soft glam palette. I just haven't gotten there yet, but I'm very excited for this palette. So without further ado, let's stop talking about how pretty the palette is and let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so like I said, just disregard my face right now because it's looking a hot mess after work. I need to reapply my lipstick, which I will mention really quick. It is the Physicians Formula The Healthy Lip Velvet Finish liquid lipstick in Dose of Rose. Haven't seen these out before. I just found this at my local CVS and Walmart. Amazing. Cannot wait to try out other colors. Only like $6. So anyways, back to the palette. I'm going to go in with my Model's Own eyeshadow primer. I love this stuff and I think it works amazing. I use it for basically everything. So, alright, so there's the eyeshadow base. I'm going to bring my makeup brushes around. I just got eyeshadow primer all over this palette. Isn't that nice? So, in all honesty, I'm going in here not knowing what I want to do, but first I'm just going to set my lid. Wow, there's like no setting colors in here, but I'm going to go in with the shade Sunbar. A little bit of Fallout. Not gonna, oh, I have an eyelash. Isn't that nice? Alright, a little bit darker than I thought this color was. That's a lot darker. Alright. So I just set my eyelid. Alright, so like I said, I have no real rhyme or reason. Let me make sure I stay in the line of the camera here. So, can you tell that it has been a long day? I'm going to go in with the shade, what is this, Sure Thing. Now, alright, not sure where that cut off, but I will say one thing, because the bottom packaging is so, like, you know, see-through and like mirrored, that the writing on for the names is purple and it's really hard to read the names, especially for like a tutorial or for makeup artists or anything like that. So I'm going to go in with Sure Thing on a blender brush, and I'm just going to go into my crease and then just blend that up. I will say that these, you know, do blend out very, very well. I will also say that it has a hint of the vanilla, like their other palettes, but mine actually came smelling like cardboard, probably because there is a cardboard piece inside the package, but it kind of puts it off a little bit, but that could just be me. Alright, so after we have that somewhat blended out there, I'm going to, like I said, a little bit of Fallout. But then I'm going to go in with the shade. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with the color Shipwreck after I pull this hair off of my sleeve. And this is just a darker, like, burgundy color, I guess. I'm just going to go on the outer corner, right there in the crease again. Trying to stay closer into the crease there. Just going to use a little bit more. Pull it right in there. And I'm going to leave that a little bit rough around the edges. Alright, so I'm going to leave it like that for the moment. I'm going to go in with a clean blender brush, and I'm just going to blend out those edges. Beautiful. Alright, so then I think I may end up just using my finger. You know, we'll try it with a flat brush first. Let me just wipe this off a minute. Alright, so let's see. What color am I dying to use? So I think I'm going to go in with the shade Splash, which is this green shade right here on my brush. And I'm going to go into the inner half. That's really, really pigmented. Remember, this is from my St. Patrick's Day look. Link down below if you want to see it. I think it turned out pretty darn good. That's like insanely pigmented. Love it. Alright, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here. What is that called? Bubbles. That's a nice name. I like that name. On the other side of my brush. And I'm going to put that right into the center. Alright, this one doesn't seem to be as pigmented.
Mommy.
Yes, baby.
Gel.
Not yet.
Gel.
Alright, so Bubbles doesn't seem to be as pigmented.
Gel.
Maybe you just have to have it in like the right lighting. I don't know, I wonder if it's just the way that I'm sitting in the lighting, because it does look really, really pretty when I swatch it. Which swatches will be at the end of this video. You're more than welcome to fast forward if you want to see them, but just so you know. Alright, so it's not as pigmented as I would have liked. I'm just going to use that same brush and go in with Lagoon, which is this blue color on the outer corner of my... Let's see this one. Oh, I can definitely see fallout from that shade Bubbles. Alright, so Lagoon definitely has some pigment to it. There's some fallout from that one as well. I feel like a straight up mermaid right now. Like, yes. Love it. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with that blender brush again and going in with Sandbar and just lightly going over the crease so it doesn't look so harsh. Alright, and then I'm just going to brush away the fallout. There you go. Simple. And looks pretty good. I kind of like it a lot. So then I'm just going to go in with a flat angled brush. I think I'm going to go in with this gold shade Shell Yeah right here on to my waterline. No, my bottom lash line. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with this shade Beach Please. I think I got some glitter in my eye. I'm just going to go in on the outer part. Alright, well, I gotta go in with a blender brush here. Oh, just got that on my face. Like that, and then I'm just going to take a flat brush, go in with the shade, what is this? Froze. And I'm just going to put that underneath my brow bone. No, underneath my brow. Is that a brow bone? Is that what that's called? Like that. And then I'm going in with Mimosa. I think that's what it is. And I'm just going to right in. Oh, wow. Wow, okay. That's good. So this is the finished look. I do have You probably, my camera doesn't focus, but there is some fallout. You can see it right in here, I think, which I don't like, but not much I can really do about that. But yeah, I think the look turned out really, really, really nice. Alright guys, so that is the finished makeup look that I created with the Tarte Be a Mermaid and Make Waves palette. I think it turned out really good. I feel like a mermaid right now. I cannot wait to use this when I go to the beach this year in July. I was not sure about this palette if I was actually going to keep it, but I think I'm going to keep it. I don't know, I'm going to play with it the next, couple of days, maybe the next week and decide, but I definitely think I'm going to keep this. But I definitely like this palette. I think it's definitely something that if you are a makeup artist, you may want to add it to your collection for summer or for photo shoots or things like that. If you're like the everyday person, in all honesty, you probably... I mean, unless you get it for the packaging because you collect makeup, you probably don't need this palette, because I do think there's a ColourPop shadow that's a good dupe for this one right here, which is Bubbles. Actually, to be honest, I think there might be one for Splash as well, which is like that green color here. You can probably find dupes for every single shadow that's in this palette, only because there's only 3 unique shades to this palette. And like I said, those 3 unique shades you can probably find in NYX or ColourPop that are only going to be a couple of dollars. So honestly, I was attracted to the packaging and I think that the shadows performed really, really, really well for, being different shimmery shades. But yeah, I think I like it. I can't wait to play around with it a little bit more and see if I want to keep it or not. So I would definitely keep you guys posted if you want to know if I kept the palette. But yeah, let me know your, okay, get your thoughts together. Let me know down in the comments if you guys liked this look, if you liked the palette, if you purchased the palette or anything like that, or if you want to see other products on my channel reviewed. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the little notification bell. It's like this big next to the subscribe button, so that way you can get notified of videos that I post first, because who doesn't want to be notified first? Duh. Molly says yeah, duh. I don't know if you could hear her. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, let me know down in the comments and like up this video and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!